Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Ujjwal Mishra from Red Hat Panther team at Prolifix.
In this video, I will explain how to access and run a Dockerize Panther client application on Red Hat OpenShift. As we all know, OpenShift is a cloud development platform as a service hosted by Red Hat. It's an open source cloud based user friendly platform. It is used to create, test, and run applications and finally deploy them on cloud. It helps organizations to move their traditional application infrastructures and platform from physical or virtual mediums to the cloud. This is my Red Hat OpenShift dedicated sandbox here. It gives you various options to build and deploy your application using OpenShift. Here you can see the various options like you can create an application from a sample code. Second option is from Git. You can directly import your code from Git repository and build the application and deploy it with the help of a dev file. If you already have a existing docker image, then you can directly pull image from here, and similarly like from docker file using yamls. So these are the various options. With the help of that, you can build your application and you can deploy your application. So here, as you all know, we already have a Panther docker image, so I'll use an option using container image. I'll just click on this option. So this is the configuration that we have to make while deploying a Panther Docker application on OpenShift. So what we have to do is like, it's so simple, like you just have to enter your Docker Panther image name, and it will already validate your image name if that is a valid name. After that, here you can select a runtime option if you want to, like on what basis your application is running. So let it make it OpenShift by default. So also here in general setting configurations, here you can also check the application name, what kind of application it is. So I'm just giving a name, a Panther client app. And also here the name will be like the name of your container. So I'm just giving a unique name, Panther application. So I'm just giving a name, Panther application here, and after that I'll just click on a create button. So what it will do is like, it will create a pod for my Docker image. So here is a question: what is a pod? Pod is basically a collection of containers, like it is a group of containers that are running inside a pod. So pod is like a basic entity for a OpenShift. So we will have to require a pod for running our application inside a OpenShift. So here you will see this is a pod which is in a pending state, and here you can see the status. After that, you will check now the status is running. I'll just click on it, so it will just open up the configuration of the pod. So here you can see the details like when pod, the name of this pod, and the status is running. So this is the all configurations, and here from there you can directly monitor what is the status of your pod, like CPU uses and everything. So I'll just go to the resources and click on my pod. So after clicking on my pod, here you can see all the details of my application, like the status of my pod, CPU, uses, file system, everything is there. You can directly monitor from here. So for running an application, so my container is already running inside a pod. So for running that application, I have to click on a terminal. It will open up a terminal inside a OpenShift CLI. So here I'll just give a simple command, and that will be like my application name. So I'll just give pro run and my application name mgmt, just hit enter. So here you can see my application is running now. The application, I'll just it's just a sample application that's named Containerized Panther application. Here you can see there are various options. I just click on a print spooling here. So I'll just hit enter. Here you can see it's just like a sample application with the various options, and you can monitor your application with the help of your keyboard commands, keyboard buttons. So I'll just give you the walkthrough of this application. So I'm going to a different option like system environment.
So here it's giving a various options in the inside our environment settings like user profile, system variable. So this is just a sample application to give you a walkthrough how you can create and deploy your application on a OpenShift with the help of a Docker image. It's like a very simple to run, just a few commands. You don't have to run you don't have to a full skill knowledge of your Docker commands and all. You just have to enter a simple commands and a few settings, and here we go, the application is up and running for you. So this is all about how to run Docker Panther application in a OpenShift terminal.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing a content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.